The Larson Electronics pad mount zigzag grounding transformer is reliable, powerful, and designed with the environment in mind. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, this transformer provides increased reliability and protection against critical equipment failures. On an ungrounded three-phase system, this type of transformer creates a grounded neutral connection which provides a path for ground fault zero sequence currents. This zigzag transformer is a three-phase unit with a primary voltage of 27600Y and 15940 grounded Y. Featuring robust construction, this unit's cores are manufactured with non-aging cold-rolled silicon steel laminations using state-of-the-art technology. The standard NEMA Type 3R enclosure makes the unit suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, and it can be pad mounted. This unit also features mineral oil cooling, Class A insulation, and is designed so that no excess oil heating occurs from unbalanced loads or phase loss on the primary side. The high voltage and low voltage compartments are located in front of the transformer tank and are separated by a full-length steel barrier between the compartments. This transformer includes liquid level, temperature, and pressure and vacuum gauges. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.